getting a van now to get rid of all that shit that's in my house.
It's not a van, it's a municipal van.
Because the mayor of this great city was kind enough to lend us this baby. First load is done. Looking forward to getting at least 3, maybe 4 loads done tomorrow. That would be great. I found a picture of this dude. Apparently he was living here. It's dated March 91. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna make of this space behind me because there's a toilet. I want to keep that toilet. I think it's a bit too much to have a shower in there because there's not a lot of space. I'm gonna have a shower downstairs and over there. I don't know, I might rent this out on Airbnb, and I don't know yet. This room and the other room and maybe all of this. I don't know yet. We went to the recycling center 4 times. I'm really tired, but we got rid of most of the stuff I wanted to get rid of. Looking forward to the next step. Looking forward to signing the contract. I think it takes another like 3 or 4 months before I'm really the owner of this lovely baby, but looking forward to that. Looking really forward to that.
You've got music in you.
Boy, he's the greatest trumpet player in the world.
You've got music in you. You play fine trumpet. You've got music in you.
I'm a big bad trumpet player.
Some kids on the show yesterday mentioned a new kind of music.
Well, I had a lot of fun this afternoon. Getting rid of my kitchen, basically destroying my kitchen. I got rid of most of it. See, that's the window. It's already kind of, right, not the window itself, but the thing before the window, it's already broken, so I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, I cleaned everything. There's a ceiling left. I'm not gonna do that today. And over here in my future downstairs bathroom, there's also a couple of bags left to bring to the recycling center. But yeah, this was fun. I'm eager to buy this. I prefer to have my signature under the contract before I tell all the people, look, I got a nice, big, huge house for this much money. It's really not a lot. But there's a lot of work to be done. One day I might have a nice dinner party in here.
Well, the purpose of a party is to have fun together. And a successful party needs planning and skill. It's the skill of the hosts and the skill of the guests in making the party fun for everyone.
I was briefly considering keeping this, but I don't want old shit in here, so I'm gonna throw everything out and yeah, then have nothing left. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I have the cave to empty. Don't really feel like doing that now. I don't know. I wanna like, maybe I go upstairs. It's a good thing I don't have neighbors. Lots of ceiling left. lot of fun. There's a lot of dust as well. Can't wait to get more stuff done here, like destroying and building and living here, reading a book someday, have a cup of tea. Oh, can't wait to see that happen. See you next time. Bye bye. Such a weird cat.